Welcome to my new video. Today I am going to show how to solve a Rubik's Cube. Always a Rubik's Cube contains three types of pieces. Centerpiece, edge piece, corner piece. Centerpiece has one color, edge piece has two colors, and corner piece has three colors. So now I am scrambling the Rubik's Cube. Also remember, we have to solve three layers in a Rubik's Cube. Today I am going to show how to solve the first layer. At first we have to make a plus here. The plus will be made by edge pieces. So the colors of edge pieces must be same with center pieces. See this. I am making plus with this method. If you need this video, how to make plus on Rubik's Cube, please tell me in comment section. So I have made this plus. Now we have to adjust the corner pieces. Here is white, orange, green. White, orange and green. So this piece has the colors white, green and orange. Here is white, green, orange. So this piece will go there. Use the method until it goes there. Left, down, right, up. See, it has matched with colors. Now the piece has white, blue and orange. Here is white, blue, orange. So we have to move it there. Here the piece will come. Now use the same method until it goes there. See, it has matched successfully. And also it has matched with the centers. Now we have two pieces to match. So here is white, white, green, red. So here is white, green, red. Let's turn it to its position. Here the piece will come. And the colors are same. See this. Now use the same method until it goes there. It has matched with colors. It is the last piece. Now here is red, blue, white. And here red, blue, white. So turn to its position and use the same method until it goes there. Yes, the first layer has completed. In my next video, I will show you how to solve the second layer of this Rubik's Cube. Like this video and subscribe for more.